comprehensive exploration of Claude, a state-of-the-art AI developed by Anthropic. Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand not just how Claude works, but also its implications for the future of AI technology. Cut to host in a studio setting. Hello, everyone. I'm host Name, and I'll be guiding you through this deep dive into one of the most sophisticated artificial intelligence models to date. Whether you're a technologist, a student, or just an AI enthusiast, there's something in this session for everyone. Let's start at the very beginning. Artificial intelligence has evolved significantly over the past decades, moving from simple rule-based systems to complex models that can understand and generate human-like text. Today, we'll look at how Claude fits into this evolution and what makes it stand out from the crowd. Visuals showing timeline of AI development. The journey of AI has been marked by significant milestones, from the Turing test to the development of neural networks, and now to the creation of Claude by Anthropic. But what spurred the development of Claude? Let's delve into the history of Anthropic, the vision behind Claude, and how it's designed to be safer and more reliable than ever before. Part 2. Technical Deep Dive, 480 minutes. Basics of Machine Learning and AI, 60 minutes. Introduction to Machine Learning Concepts, 20 minutes. Host. To understand Claude, we first need to grasp the basics of machine learning. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data, much like how we learn from experience. Visuals of basic neural network models. Host, we start with simple models that can predict outcomes based on input data. These models adjust their parameters based on the accuracy of their predictions. A key component in machine learning is the neural network, inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of layers of nodes that simulate neurons. Each layer processes aspects of the data, building up to a complex understanding. Animation showing data flowing through a neural network. Host. As data travels through each layer, the network learns more detailed features, from basic shapes in an image to complex elements like faces or emotions in text. Training and learning. Training these networks involves showing them many examples, allowing them to adjust and improve. The goal is for the network to not just memorize the data, but to generalize from it, to make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. Charts showing training cycles and error rates. It's a complex balance, but when done right, it gives us a powerful tool capable of remarkable things. Architecture of Claude. Understanding transformer models. Host. Claude is built on what's known as a transformer model, a recent breakthrough in AI that has revolutionized language processing. Expert guest. Transformers work differently from previous models because they handle data in parallel rather than sequentially. This allows them to be more efficient and to have a better memory for context over longer stretches of text. Deep dive into Claude's architecture. Claude's architecture consists of multiple layers of these transformers, each learning different aspects of language, from grammar to context to semantics. As data passes through these layers, Claude learns to predict what comes next in a sentence, which is how it generates such fluid and coherent text. Innovations and enhancements in Claude. But Claude isn't just another transformer model. Anthropic has introduced several innovations, such as techniques to make Claude more reliable and ethical. Expert guest. One such innovation is steering, where Claude can be guided to avoid harmful biases and ensure the information remains fair and balanced. Visuals of steering mechanism in action. Training process and data handling, 120 minutes. Data collection for training Claudes. Host. Training a model like Claude requires a massive data set, but it's not just about quantity. The quality and diversity of data are crucial. Data scientist interview. We gather data from a wide range of sources to ensure Claude can understand and generate a broad spectrum of human language. Graphics showing data sources and types, ethical data management. Host. Managing this data responsibly is paramount. Ethical considerations must be addressed to prevent privacy breaches and data misuse. Legal expert interview. Every piece of data used is anonymized and scrubbed of sensitive information to protect individual privacy while still providing valuable learning material for Claude. Flowcharts of data scrubbing processes. Continuous learning and model updating, 40 minutes. Host. Even after initial training, Claude continues to learn. It's updated regularly to improve its understanding and to adapt to new information and linguistic trends. These updates ensure that Claude remains current and effective, capable of handling new challenges and questions from users. Timeline showing update process and improvements.